Okay, so in this brief video series, I'm going to go through the docs and talk about some key concepts of Orchestra. In this video, we'll talk about exactly what Orchestra is. So we're a platform for building data pipelines, but also building data products. And we're a managed cloud SaaS solution. We're not an open source project. And in terms of our feature functionality, we combine elements of orchestration, observability, and operations. Some of the things you see here are stuff we would like to have, some of it we already have. But the core concept is that running and maintaining and sort of Airflow instance on Kubernetes is quite time consuming and it presents an unnecessary overhead, particularly if you want to do it really robustly in terms of having separate environments. We also think it can be challenging to scale in large teams where you need coordination and visibility potentially across multiple Airflow repositories. Orchestra is something which allows everybody to interact with other data tools, and it can even augment tools like Airflow too. Yeah.